So this is called This Is Genius. It's called God. Okay. And this one's called Broken, or The Broken. Awesome. Yeah, dude. Okay, this one is called A Trillion Years. I don't know why. I'm thinking about a trillion years lately. It's a long time. This one is called The Lost. Have to check that one. Pretty awesome. All right, and this one is called Fury. All right, and this is called Belladonna. Awesome. My only self-critique is that I use permanent marker for the title. I don't like using permanent marker because it disappears eventually. Okay, and this one is called War. It's called War. It's pretty sweet. This one's called Loser. The guy didn't win, you know? This one's called Eve. People look at it. All right, and this one is called All Together Now. Pretty sweet. It's on First Avenue in the East Village. Should get some play either way. And this one is called Yellow Flowers. Believe it or not, this is called Yellow Flowers.